Hey guys, in this video we picked the top 5 best amp wiring kit on the market. We made this list based on our personal opinion, and we ranked them in no particular order after we did our research based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and more. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Boss Audio Amplifier Installation Wiring Kit. The Boss Audio KID Amplifier Installation Wiring Kit comes in great packaging and includes a detailed installation guide for novices and first-timers. It has 3 variations, and comes in 4-gauge, 8-gauge, and 10-gauge versions and is sold in 30-foot wire lengths, which is usually more than you need. It is actually a safer option, especially if your card is of above-average size. Included in the pack are a 20-foot red power cable and 3-foot black ground cable, a 16-foot blue turn-on wire, a 20-foot high performance blue RCA, 30-foot of speaker wire, 6-foot split loom tubing, 24-inch wire ties, 3 rubber grommets, a number 10 ring terminal, 5/6-inch ring terminal and a 1/4-inch ring terminal. Well, it means that you have nothing to worry about because everything you need to set up your car amplifier and more are included in the package. Just like the preceding reviewed products, this wiring kit boasts the copper-clad aluminum, which is fairly good in conducting electric current. Pure copper is not used because of its exorbitant price tag. A large percentage of aluminum is fused with copper in these wires to provide power and signals. Pros: great packaging. Detailed guide. Comes with all the items you need to install in excess. Affordable kit under $30. Cons: the wire quality could be improved. Number 2. InstallGear 4-gauge complete amp kit installation. This amp wiring kit from InstallGear is definitely budget-friendly, though that is reflected in the quality of materials. It uses copper-clad aluminum wiring, with extra-large wires, for a better signal transfer, but only includes enough speaker wire for approximately 2 speakers, at only 17 feet long. This means that this will not cover all the speakers in larger audio systems, or larger vehicles, sacrificing some quality with lower-end materials. However, is used to keep the price low, which it absolutely does. And while this kit may not perform as well as some others, it will perform better than most other budget options on the market. And when you're starting your audio journey, inexpensive and pretty good are good to have together. One would have expected to see a dual amp wiring kit costing more than the rest, but it's not the case with this one. I attribute that to the copper-clad aluminum. Take into account the maximum power that your amp can take and choose the wires accordingly. Copper-clad aluminum is said to perform bad in corrosion resistance, but this kit made use of proper PVC insulation to prevent that. Pros: very budget-friendly. Unbelievably affordable. Variety of AWGs to choose from. Different gauges of wires. Cons: cheap materials means less quality than higher-end kits. Number 3. KnuKonceptz KCA Installation Wiring Kit. The KnuKonceptz KCA Installation Wiring Kit is one that works very well on many different types of cars. It is durable and provides the best possible sound quality. The KCA Colossus Copper Aluminum it uses is a new generation of copper-clad aluminum, CCA, power and ground cables. The KCA 4-gauge uses 29/44 mm2 of CCA to transfer current from your battery to amplifier. The CCA is made up of 90% aluminum and 10% copper. This is used throughout this kit to offer incredible flexibility. It comes with a rugged PVC outer jacket that is oil and grease resistant. The PVC outer jacket can withstand extreme temperatures, -40 to 105 C, so it works fine even in extreme conditions. This kit also comes with an assortment of small accessories and attachments that you can use to install your amp, so you don't need to buy anything separately. With the OFC RCA cable, the amplifier can provide the musical signal to the speakers or subwoofers. RCA cables are important because they carry the audio signals from one device to the other. Pros: made with solid quality materials. Larger cable content to rubber ratio. Oxygen-free copper construction. Twisted pair geometry for noise rejection. Cons: the fuse holder quality could be improved. Number 4. SoundBox Connected 0-Gauge Amp Kit. SoundBox Amp Wiring Kit has a maximum power capacity of 5,000 watts. That's enough to power your amplifier and get the top-notch sound to your admiration. Identified with 1/0 gauge, it is one of the thickest wiring kits available on the market, yet priced low. It transfers electric current fairly well, although not better than a pure copper, which is, of course, quite expensive. The budget-confined consumers can find this a good investment, but if you're looking for a top-notch quality, I recommend finding an oxygen-free copper. Also included are the 18 feet twisted and triple shielded RCA interconnect and the 18 feet 12-gauge speaker wire. the RCA cable is long enough to provide signals from the car's audio system to the amplifier, then the speaker wire will connect the amplifier to the speakers. It is also long enough and thin with the 12 gauge width. The 18 feet and 18 gauge blue remote turn-on wire will turn on the amplifier when the vehicle power is activated. Other included components in addition to this turn-on wire include the wire ties to secure the wires to avoid tangling and the wire loom. Again, there is the silver-plated inline ANL fuse holder. Number 5, Rockrix 8-gauge complete amp wiring kit. The Rockrix 8-gauge complete amp wiring kit puts almost everything you need to get your amp wired in your vehicle right in your hands, and it won't blow your entire budget. This affordable kit includes the wiring, fuses, terminals, and even plastic zip ties that you'll need to get everything hooked up properly. It includes copper-clad aluminum power and ground wires, 17 feet and 3 feet of each, respectively, which are wrapped in ultra-flexible automotive-grade PVC jackets. There's also a 17-foot RCA cable with a dual injection terminal, plus a 20-foot speaker wire, 17-foot remote turn-on wire, and all of the terminals you need. One extra benefit that comes with this nicely priced kit is the power wire is wrapped in nylon mesh braiding that gives this key wire more strength, flexibility, and protection against heat, so you can rely on your wiring for a long time to come. Complete 8-gauge amp install kit, 100% OFC, oxygen-free copper, RCA cable strength, flexibility, and heat resistant. Nylon mesh braiding for power wire, premium heat durability, inline AGU fuse holder and cutting indicator on the power wire for easy installation.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.